This right here is a TOOLIOM 110/220 stick welder. Now this one just appears to be a little bit higher quality. You get nicer leads. It can go all the way down from 20 amp and all the way up to 140, at least on the 110. Now you do have your 110 to 220 adapter. I got to get a plug for the 220. And you also have all your different modes, your hot start. And I like this that you can change some parameters versus these ones. Let's see what you guys really want to see. Let's throw some sticks down, or welds. We're going to try it first on the 30 amp setting. So I did try it on 30. I think we'll need to kick it up to about 45 to sustain a pretty good arc here. Not too bad. Let's go ahead and crank it up a little bit. Let's try 65. Usually give it a little bit more juice. That's a lot better. You can see once we cranked it up a little bit, let's see. You can see the difference right there. That is definitely a lot better. Not too bad. Not too bad. I like it. Get that slag off. Those look pretty good welds. I dig it.